Hi and hello, welcome back. Jana here with a new process video for the HipKit Club, and I'm working with the September kits, and my focus today is to use the DearLizzy Stamp Set to heat emboss and to use some HipKit Club exclusive. So I did some heat embossing and I grabbed 3 exclusive Project Life cards, and I really love this big tag, so I'm just cutting off the border around it so that I can use it as a layering piece behind my picture. Oh, and our theme is also fall favorites. And I'm a huge fan of foggy, cloudy, sunny sunrise, you know. And so I'm scrapping a picture of a beautiful morning in the fall. I thought I would go with the Polaroid shape, but I decided against it, and so I'm going with a square picture. I have also grabbed a pattern paper you can see in the background, and my idea was to create a very dimensional layout, and I will rip the paper into half and I will use a piece of it as a layering or as a background piece. And now I'm just layering my papers together. And yeah, I really love the colors in the kits. I have also done some fussy cutting on one of the DearLizzy papers, and here I'm ripping the paper. First I'm distressing the edges, and there's a corner with a orange, and so I ripped the paper so that I can have a little ripped corner where, and I will place my title there later. So now I'm just quickly laying down the flower so that I can have the idea from where I want to have my flowers and all of the bits and pieces. I have used 2 different embossing powders. One is a copper color and the other one is a gold. And the colors are just perfectly matching, and everything is looking like fall. So this is a piece, a journaling card from the Truly Grateful collection. And now I'm grabbing some beautiful colored leaves so that I can arrange them around the picture. And then I will take a little break, or I will turn off the camera to glue down the pieces to my, or the layered papers and the picture together so that I can move it as one piece. And then I will use one of the magical powders to get some color onto my background paper. And I'm just adding the powder directly onto the paper. There's no gesso underneath. And then I will start to splatter some water on top. And I really love to do it that way. I love to watch how the powder is reacting with the water. And I love the messiness from that technique, and I just love how this is looking. Now I placed back the pattern paper to the white cardstock, and now I'm just adding some splatters on top of it. And yeah, that's all I'm doing to my background papers. Once that is dry, I'm starting to adhere everything down, and I will also bring in one of the exclusive flares. Love this. And then I will grab the white thickers we got in one of the kits, and I really love the font and the size, and so I will add my title with these gorgeous letters. And I'm going very simple with my title. It's just Fall Day, and I will also add one of the puffy words from the Truly Grateful collection. So I will have, let me think. It's not beautiful. I don't know. Maybe beautiful fall day. I'm not pretty sure right now. So I will place the word day into the little ripped area, and I really love how this is looking. And then I will grab some of the puffy stickers, and I will glue down the leaves. And I really love how this is coming together. I love to layer a lot of pieces around my picture, and the picture is quite dark on the bottom, so I I love to hide that area, or I love to have the rest from the page very airy and light and with bright colors. So, and it's favorite, so it's not beautiful, it's favorite fall day. And I love the color on top of the white letters. I'm sorry. I will also bring in some of the Dear Lizzy word stickers, but first I'm gluing down the leaves with some foam tape for even some more dimension. And yeah, I really love the colors, and I enjoyed this process. So now I'm bringing in some word stickers. This is Picture Perfect, and I will go with 3 different colors. This is Magical, and I'm also using one of the pink ones, but I will remove the pink one just because it was not looking perfectly right, so I didn't feel it, so I just moved it, or I removed it, yeah. So this is a sticker from the Pink Fresh Studios, Pink Fresh Studio Office Hours collection, and it's a red one that said "Remember this." And now I'm on my way to complete this layout. I will bring in some of these shiny Dear Lizzy stickers, and I will place 3 or 4 yellow flowers into the mix, and some pretty hearts. And I believe I am done. Yes, I am done. I'm just placing the last flowers. I will remove the yellow one. It was not the perfect spot, so I will change that. Oh, and I'm using one of these cute birds. I will place that into the rib, so it's on top of the D letter, and I just love how this is looking. So this is the last yellow flower, and then I will grab some of the hearts, and that's it. So you will get a close-up in a second, and one final shot at the end. And yeah, thank you so much for stopping by. I really hope you enjoyed this process, and thank you for watching, and talk to you soon. That's it. Bye.